And this is the moment that we are going to check this interior of this property. As you can see, if you go inside, you have this very large and solid door with smart key, smart lock systems. And come the details of this property is for the land area. This is about 407 square meters, while the floor area, the total floor area of this property is 769 square meters. As you can see, there are things on this video. There are things like the sofa, the aircon, and the dining table. These are all included on the price. And I would like to give you the details of this property, no? Because last 2024, actually this has been done 2024, and we have been selling this out in the market since then, and we just have a little delay with this property, and we hold this for about almost a year. That's why we start selling this one this year, 2026, and we have a very small changes since then. Because before, if you have watched my video, because I have videos of this property last 2024, and we don't have this one. This is plain, and this is one of the changes that we made in this property. The mirror and the wall accent, and yeah, that's the only changes that we made, and including on the stairs. Later on we will check later. That's the only changes that we made in this property. And as I mentioned, all the things that you can see in this property is part of the deal. Like this one, the dining table and the chairs, they are all part of this scale, which is 49.8 million. 49.8 million excluding all the taxes and the sales expenses. And you have here the kitchen. You have cooktop, electric cooktop here, range hood, and you have this center island table, and you have your 2 doors refrigerator, and you have oven and microwave, and you have this centerpiece lightings here. You have here centerpiece lightings here, and you have lots of cabinets like this one. These are all cabinets, but this is for the range hood. These are all the cabinets that you can use, and you have also cabinets here. And the property is about we have 1 bedrooms on the ground floor, 1 bedroom with own toilet and bathroom, but you can change it, or you can modify it into your home office, or you can make it into your gym. And the maid's room and the driver's room is also located on the ground floor, and they are both having toilet and bathroom. And on this floor level, we have another bedroom here, which we will now check. And the good thing with this property is all of the bedrooms that you can see in this house, it has its own toilet and bathroom, has its own balcony, and has its own aircon installed already. Like this one, most probably this bedroom is for guest room, or if you have elderlies, then they can use this bedroom. And you have this bedroom, as I mentioned, there is a toilet and bathroom. It's equipped toilet and bathroom. And there is a door connecting to the outside. And you have your closet. Another good thing with this property is it's high ceiling, it's modernized. As you notice, my friend who is the contractor of this property, he puts lots of efforts in putting lightings, accents like those on that you can see on the ceilings. They are all reticulated and they are all well-planned design like this one. These are all LEDs and yes, LEDs. So another thing, as I mentioned, this house has its own toilet. This house has its own swimming pool that you can see outside with water features, and you have this very large glass wall and having this one screen so that you can open this sliding door during day and night and the mosquitoes cannot go inside. So one concerns that we notice when we bring clients here, sometimes they are maybe 49 million, they cannot afford it, and they will say that 49 million is very expensive. But I will tell you, for the 49.8 million, this is really worth it. The structural, the quality of the house, the space that is given to you, and the location, most important. Another thing that the property is like negative is it is beside the school. So as I told you, the school is beside, and one of the concern is the noise. But I will give you an example. I've just closed the main door. Normally, if we are open this one, like example, there is a car coming. Okay, yeah, we can hear the sound of the car, but we will close this one, and I will give you an example. The pool is running outside, and it's very noisy because of the drop of the water, but we will close this one. It's almost no noise at all. So it's a guarantee for you that this house can insulate the noise source, because that's like not a very big problem, a little problem, but because of that school. But come here, I will be with you if you want to come morning, evening, or during the classes, so that you can see yourself if I'm telling you the truth, that the noise can be eliminated or decreased if we are going to close the structure like the glass. So let's go to this area here. So you have there your pool and kitchen, and this is the powder room, and you have the pantry. We will check the pantry. So all your pantry is having this one cabinets. So your stocks, your groceries can be put inside, and it's safe. And connecting, we had been outside early on this video, but I will show you again. And for now, we will go to the another floor level, or the third level of the house. But I will show you first this one. That's the stairs going down to your garage. And that will be the last part of the video, because I will show you first the third level of the house and the rooftop. So as I mentioned, we made some minor changes from the structure. This is one of the minor changes that we put, because on the original plan, we don't have this wall accent here, but now we will just put this one, and more lightings, chandelier, and on this floor level we have 3 bedrooms. The first is the master's bedroom, second the second regular bedroom, the first regular bedroom, and all of the bedrooms are having toilet and bathroom and balcony. And I want to show you first the main bedroom of this house. So this is the main bedroom of this house, and look at what you will have with your 49.8 million. It's a high ceiling structure, partly furnished, because again this will be turned over to you. And these are all brand new. These are brand new because we changed the original and it was used. And this is the balcony. You have the view of swimming pool, but we will close. See? You can barely hear the noise outside. And let's go to your main bedroom, toilet and bathroom. And this is the main bedroom, toilet and bathroom. You have this mini drawers here that you can use for your closets to your clothes. And you have shower and bathtub. You have shower, and you have here your bathtub. And what I really like here is really high ceiling. I really want to emphasize that because it's really important to have a house with a high ceiling. And again, there is an aircon on this bedroom. And this bedroom, the master's bedroom, actually has 2 aircons. One and the other is there. And they are all split type aircon. And I will show you the balcony. And this is your balcony. And that's your swimming pool. And that's the other bedroom. And those are your neighborhood. So right now, unfortunately, it's raining, but I will still show you the roof deck of this property. Let's go back. So let's go to the first regular bedroom of the property. That door is connecting, going up to the 4th level or the roof deck. And this is the first regular bedroom. Again, with aircon and with own toilet and bathroom. And you have here your closet. The same to the master's bedroom. And this is your bedroom area. You have the bed. So this bed will be yours if you are going to buy this one. And you have the balcony. So I will show you the second regular bedroom of this house. You have your CR. And you have your bedroom. And that's the school. As of now, yeah, you can hear. Come in, sir. And this bedroom has balcony, large balcony with view of the garden, the school, and let's go back. We will close because it's raining. And we don't hear the noise anymore. Let's go back. And I will show you the roof deck. It's raining outside, but we will try to show you the roof deck. So this is the roof deck. It's raining, so I cannot show you but I will show you the glimpse of the roof deck. It's raining. And this is the third level of the house, and we have been checked the roof deck. It's raining, we cannot show you the full, but maybe on a sunny day I will make another video. But in my other video I already uploaded the view of the roof deck, so you can see, or I will show you the link of the other video, which is sunny day. And let's go to the ground level of this property. And again, the details of this property I will put on the description below of this video. The full details, but I will give you the glimpse. The total bedroom that we have here we have 3, 4, 7 bedrooms, and we have a very large open space on the second level of the house. Large open space that you can use for your party events, and we have swimming pool area. We have kitchen, large kitchen, big kitchen, and we have six car garage. You can park up to 6 car garage, and it's very walking distance going to the highway. And this is located inside the Vista Grande subdivision here in Bulacau, Talisay City. And for the last part of the video, I will show you the ground level, which is the maid's room, the pump room for the swimming pool is located, and the driver's room, and your extra area that you can make into your home office. So let's go right now. And additionally, you have here additional storage. So maybe your cleaning tools, your brooms, you can store it there. So we put hardwood because this is solid wood. And this is the car garage that we have. And I will show you this is the pump room. So as of now, we have lots of things that are going on here inside, because we use this as a storage room right now, but you can clean this one, and maybe you can use it also for your storage area. This is the pumping room for the swimming pool. And let's go, I will show you this one right here. So this here and here, this is the thing that I've told you that you can utilize to make it home office, gym, or family theater, or whatever that you can use with this one. We didn't put the bed here, but you can make it also bedroom. And there is a toilet and bathroom. And lastly, that's the okay. So this is the maid's room, and that's the driver's room. This room is the maid's room, and driver's room has its own toilet and bathroom. But I will not show you now the driver's room because it's being used by someone who is taking care of the house. So I'll just show you this. This is the maid's room with own toilet and bathroom. It's the same with the driver's room. And that's your main gate. And let's go back. So you can really hear the noise outside because this is beside the school. But now you cannot hear the noise because we close all the doors that the noise can be. And even the noise of the water features of the swimming pool, we can barely hear inside. So this has been me again, Mark, and hopefully you will like this property because we really want to solve this one. And I will tell you, even though you will check other properties, this one is really worth it for its price, 49.8 million net. And for the 7 bedrooms, for the 6-car garage, swimming pool, and partly furnished properties, nice structural, nice location inside subdivision of Vista Grande, and very close to the markets, schools, and yeah, maybe you will consider checking this one. Message me because I'm going to put my contact numbers, or you can contact me on my WhatsApp, which is +63 935 7385814, and my email is markanthonydavid697@gmail.com. That's one word. And I have also my Viber. You can message me on my Viber, 0905-738-5814. And this has been me again, Mark. Hopefully this tour gives you a good idea of the property that we are really want to sold out. And message me, let's meet up, let's talk with the deal, and let's visit this property. And please subscribe to the channel. Maybe you can share, you can like also to the channel. And thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye bye. And this is the guardhouse of the subdivision. And we are now approaching to the highway. This is the national highway.